episode. This is Agent B721 with Dapp3rman and EnderGamer. And we're playing Subway Surfers. If you remember 2 months ago, me and Dit, we did Crossy Road. This is another one of them free games and they are very addictive. It's an infinite runner where you're running around the subway in Mumbai. And yeah, EnderGamer does not have a channel. And I think Dapp3rman...
Yeah, I think I have a channel.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Sure?
No, I'm saying, I think Dapp3rman, I think this is the first time that me and you have actually had a guest.
Yeah. Actually,
yes,
yeah,
viewers, I am your guest.
Well,
right.
guest on the show,
Should
right?
Should we get this
so,
thing
for the
started?
first time today, let's go to the subway!
And he starts! Oh, he's getting those coins! Getting those coins!
God
oh,
is
don't
on
run
the
into the train.
tail.
Oh, that was close! That was close!
It
and
was.
He's going up the train!
Went
He's
up the
jumping!
wrong way.
He's going onto the other train!
Oh.
He's jumping!
Good on to avoid the bus.
He's in the tunnel! He's out the tunnel! There's the train! Oh, he ducks and he dodges! And he jumps!
Okay, I'm getting the
And I'm running
coins,
out of
guys.
things to say.
We're going to have 3 goes each.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, getting the coins. Cause I
Get
need
the
this
coins.
one.
That was bad!
See, that's annoying because there's no way around that.
Right, let's go to the
subway!
subway!
For the second time today.
Don't get into the train. I'm not very good at this game, viewers.
It's like an infinite runner.
I've only played it about twice before, and
he sucks because the camera falls over. Shut up. Just get on with it.
Alright! Sorry for that brief pause, ladies and gentlemen. That had
Pause.
That had nothing to do with anything we've done in the past.
Yeah, of course.
Oh!
No! That's not fair. I obviously swiped the other way.
Right, okay. Let's go.
For the third time today, let's go to the subway.
Oh, we get the coins. Oh, he missed those coins when he's going up the ramp. He's jumping. He's jumping. He's jump scaring you like
Freddy Fazbear himself.
Yeah. Except he's active on the first time.
Well.
Oh, he's got a go-go
Times 2 on all my score.
Multiplied by 2 to your score.
Oh, the jumping boots.
Oh, that's good, them jumping boots, because you can actually go over those tall ones that you can't actually
I
jump
don't even
over.
think they're called jumping boots. Viewers, if you know what they are
that
called,
was
can
close.
you please
That
tell
was
us in the
close.
comments? If you know what they are called, can you please tell us in the comments?
So you can jump these. They're buffers.
Okay, jump. Be very wary. Good. You can't keep this going forever.
No!
Your three goes are up! It's my
It is
turn now!
Dapp3rman's turn.
My
Do
turn of...
not do anything you might regret.
Okay, it's my turn of terror.
Like beating his high score.
No, you can beat my high score.
Let's go to the subway, everybody! And I'm the only person commentating here.
You said you didn't want him beating your high score.
Well, yeah, because if he beats my high score, I'll beat him. If you know what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you're gonna beat me up. Yeah, I'm very reassured.
I'm
Very reassured
I'm
by that.
Ow!
Oh!
Ow! Nearly falls! Ow! Oh, jeez! Oh, he rolls. Tuck and roll. Oh, going down, going down.
Oh! Okay, that was my fault. That was kind of my fault.
And for the
wasn't
5th
the
time
commentator's
today,
fault.
let's go to the
Subway!
Dude, that's what we should call this episode. Let's go to the subway.
Yeah. Oh! No! Okay.
Dapp3rman!
Sorry about that, people.
You might regret.
Okay, I've got one last chance to redeem myself. Let's go to the subway, everybody!
Time today, and then it'll be EnderGamer's turn.
A brief moment of silence.
Yeah, well.
This reminds me of some level I've
What?
played in a game before. What? What is it?
Nothing, just carry on going.
Oh.
Oh,
What is
it's now EnderGamer's turn.
What is it? Okay. Okay.
Right, for the 6th time today, let's go to the subway. So Subway Surfers, he gets off to a good start. The guy is on his tracks, but he quickly outruns him. You know when
jump.
You know when I first saw the guy, I thought he was a mechanic who was helping us.
What? He's not helping us, he's trying to get you.
Yeah, but when I first played the game, I thought he was a mechanic. And that he was on our
Why
side.
would be a mechanic? That was very close.
Ah! He's catching me.
Ooh, getting close. Tuck and roll. Getting them coins, jumping and thumping and dumping. Wait, is this your first go?
Yeah, it's your first. Yeah, it's his first go.
Yeah. Sorry, sometimes I get a bit confused.
Oh, that was close.
Ow! Close. Oh, jump!
Congrats. You're doing well.
That's actually a good way to avoid that. Yeah, but he's still like 10,000 meters away from my score.
Well, yeah.
Just click OK.
Oh no, you need more power.
I know, I need more power.
Oh,
I got
close.
the power. Power.
There's a sailor on B&Q. I got the power.
There's a sailor B&Q.
There was anyway.
Of all the random things you could say at this moment, and you say there's a sale at B&Q.
Well, no, because the advert for B&Q where it says this sailor has a song, I got the power.
I got the power.
There's a sailor at B&Q.
How are those trains supposed to get through this lot?
Exactly. That's what I was complaining about earlier.
No!
Okay, you got
That
too
was
much right
good for the
there.
first attempt though. 7,905 meters away.
Right,
That was good.
let's go to
Why
the
not?
subway. I
For
nearly
the-
forgot
for
to
the
say that.
seventh time. Oh, jetpack! Oh no, you used a head start. You used my head start.
Sorry.
Oh,
That's
that's
it.
a big head start actually.
Well, you better not die in.
You used my head start. Thanks
Look,
a
you have
lot.
10 seconds. And if
You'll get another one.
Then
Maybe
then
nobody
your efforts will
knows.
not be in vain. 10, 9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4, 3,
Get the magnet.
2,
Because then you can just like
1,
walk on the track.
0.
Be like,
Oh, are you on a boat?
What? I'm not in a boat. I'm in a tunnel.
Oh, I thought you were in a boat for a second. But then
oh,
you
show me the
stopped
hoverboard.
me.
Double tap. Double tap and show me the hoverboard. It also includes crash protection. So basically, if you fall on a buffer, it's okay. He might actually beat my score.
Multiply by 2. Dodge the train, jumpy.
Go
Doc.
down.
How are those trains supposed to get through this lot?
Exactly. And this is the bug. This is a. That must be.
Whoever made this game needs to rethink on how these trains get
Exactly.
through.
How are they supposed to be all that long?
I know. And
Jump on the buffer. Jump on the buffer while you got.
and the thing is, why did they have to choose to set it in Miami? Couldn't they set it in?
London.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the Jubilee line, because then you can beat up the Jubilee line.
Do you want to?
Jubilee line?
Yeah, but
is
they
so unreliable.
no. But when you update it, they update it and you move to different countries across
Yeah,
the
I know.
world. And they went to London last Christmas.
You know, what do you call it? The Jubilee line.
Yeah.
It's so unreliable.
Really?
Really.
It's not that unreliable.
It's the most unreliable service I've ever seen.
Well, what
It's
station-
always late. There's always engineering works.
Okay.
Well, yeah, because well, how
Yeah,
could?
that's because there's a newfangled Jubilee line extension.
Oh!
Newfangled.
That's a new Jubilee line extension. Where's it go to?
One of the Jubilee line extension.
Wait for the 9th time today. Let's go
No,
in a
it's a
subway.
But the Jubilee line extension was made in 1999.
Oh yeah, to go to what? Stratford.
Yeah, to go to Stratford.
Oh!
Died already.
That's all we have time for today, folks. So, with big regret, this is Agent B721 signing out. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.